video guys, kami ay nag-unbox po guys ng box. Ito po guys, yung sa ceiling fan guys. 56 indoor ceiling fan. Petersford. LED siya guys. With remote control and battery included. And then also the LED light. Ano siya guys? It works siya guys with the Google and Alexa guys. Ito yung ito. Para pag ano, utusan mo na lang Google or Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan. Yan guys, siya. Bronzy siya guys. Tapos ito yung light niya guys. Yan. Ito yung mga accessories niya guys, remote control. With remote control siya. Ito yung niya, yung manual. Guys, replacement siya sa luma naming ceiling fan guys. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next vlog. Bye.